Hello students, today I will explain image formation by a concave mirror. There are 6 different positions of the object. These are at infinity, beyond C, at center of curvature, between center of curvature and focus, at focus, and between pole and focus. Now position of the object at infinity. AB represents object. Dotted line shows object is located at infinity. Position of the image at the focus F. Size of the image highly diminished. Diminished means too small. Highly diminished point size, like a point. Nature of the image real and inverted. Image is formed in front of the mirror, so real image is formed. Real image is always inverted, so nature of the image real and inverted. Now position of the object beyond C. Beyond C means object is located between center of curvature and infinity. Position of the image between focus and center of curvature. Position of the object image between focus and center of curvature. Size of the image diminished. Diminished means small. By observation you can see that size of image B dash A dash is small in comparison to size of the object. Nature of the image real and inverted. Direction of the image B dash A dash is downward, and direction of the object is upward. So nature of the image real and inverted. Now position of the object at C, at center of curvature. Position of the image at center of curvature. AB position of the object at C and position of the image at C. Size of the image same size. Suppose length of object AB is 4 cm and length of image B dash A dash is also 4 cm. So size of the image same size. Nature of the image real and inverted. Image is formed. Image B dash C dash. Image is formed in front of the mirror. So real image is formed. Direction of the object is B to A, upward, and direction of the image is B dash to A dash, downward. So nature of the image real and inverted. Now position of the object between center of curvature and focus. Between center of curvature and focus. Object AB is located between focus and center of curvature. Position of the image beyond C. Beyond C. That is, image B dash A dash is formed between center of curvature and at infinity. Size of image by observation. You can see that size of image B dash A dash is larger than size of the object AB. So size of image enlarged. Nature of the image real and inverted. Nature of the image B dash A dash is formed in front of this mirror. In front of the mirror. So, and direction of image is from B dash to A dash, downward. So nature of the image real and inverted. Now position of the object at F, at focus. Position of the object at F, focus. Position of the image at infinity. Dotted line shows image is formed at infinity. Size of the image enlarged. Nature of the image real and inverted. Since image is formed in front of the mirror, we know that real image is always inverted. So nature of the image real and inverted. Now position of the object between pole and focus. Position of the object AB between pole and focus. Position of the image behind the mirror. Mirror A dash B dash is formed behind the mirror. Size of the image by observation, you can see that size of the image A dash B dash is larger than size of the object AB. So size of the image enlarged. Nature of the image virtual and erect. Since image is formed behind the mirror, so nature of the image is virtual. Direction of the object is from B to A, upward, and direction of the image is also from B dash to A dash, that is upward. So nature of the image virtual and erect. Image formation by a concave mirror. Image formation by a concave mirror are formed real image except position of the object between pole and focus. Virtual image is formed only when the position of the object between pole and focus. Consider figures in which real images are formed. Real images are formed at infinity. When position of the object at infinity, beyond C, at center of curvature, between center of curvature and focus, at focus. You can see that where distance between mirror and object is largest, where distance between mirror and object is largest, size of the image of that object is smallest. Size of image of that object is smallest. In this figure, distance between pole and object is largest and size of the image highly diminished, point size. Too small like a point. And when distance between pole and object is smallest, size of the image is largest. In position of the object at focus, the distance between pole and focus is smallest in all real in which real image is formed, and size of the image is highly enlarged. Thank you, students.